Welcome back to Physics in Montana 403, where this time we're looking at Hooke's law and doing a mini lab on springs. So I have a spring hanging here, and we're going to hang some weights from it. And I want you to look at where the bottom of the spring is, because we want to watch how it stretches. Look at how my measurement changes when I change the position of my eye, or in this case, the camera's eye. So I will try to hold it in just the right spot and line it up and help you figure out what these measurements are. So when the spring is resting and has no weight on it, it looks like it's at 34.8 centimeters, and that's going to be our zero position for this. So if I then hang a little mass on it, which I've checked has a mass of 19.9 grams, be careful now, that's grams, it goes to, again, I'm looking at the bottom of the loop right there, it goes to 37.2. If I then hang another mass on it, so this is now 19.9 grams plus an additional 19.6 grams. The bottom of that hook, if it just will hold still a moment, goes to, it's in between 39 and 40. Let's call it 39.5. If I then add more mass, and therefore more weight, this one has a mass of 19.9 again. The bottom of the loop is now at, see, get this lined up just right. Looks like it's at 42 centimeters. So these three masses gave us three different forces for three different stretches for this spring. And this will allow you to plot a graph and calculate the force constant, or the spring constant, little k for this spring. So that's what we want you to do. So you can pause the video as needed and write down the measurements that I read to you. And then after you're done, go ahead and scan and upload your work. If we were doing this in the lab on computer, it'd be really easy to get an overall slope and a line of best fit. But as you calculate slope, if you wish, you may use any two of the points. So plot all of them on a very simple graph. Don't worry about making the axes perfect. And choose any two of the points to use the slope and determine the spring constant.